Good morning, this is Dr. Gombele from drg.com. I'm inviting you this morning to walk with me in my morning walk. Thank you for coming along with me, and I hope that this morning walk will be a blessing, will give you health, energy to face your challenge of the day. Thank you very much. Come along as we do our morning walk. Thank you very much. God bless. We are in Kingston, Jamaica, in the rural district of St. Andrew, precisely in the area called Red Hills, and in the community of Plantation Heights. I am Dr. Gombele from drg.com. I'm inviting you this morning to my daily morning walk. Enjoy the ride as we walk together. Hey, thank you very much for following me this morning to my morning walk. So this is another section of Dr. Gombele from drg.com. We will be having these morning walks from time to time so that you can build a discipline that you need to achieve your goals in whatever programs that you are involved. Getting up, starting with prayer, and walk, it builds your motivation and give you the will to continue. Yep, you remember there, that's the first leg I took, and then you will remember here, and then you will see the road as it progresses. Still going home, and everything is cool, pretty here. I'm going to go home, take my shower, drink something, and ready to hit the road for the rest of the day. Well, the truck, small trucks, van passing me. You can see grandma walking. He's over 80 years old. She's taking her morning walk, and then we are nearly heading home. Grandma is doing her morning walk, and she does it every day, and we always meet in this area. All age over 85, and you are just 35, 40, 50, 60, 70. You give all the excuses in the world that you cannot walk. The lady who just passed me, she does that every morning, and she's over 80 years. Getting back home, we are Driving here, it's bumpy, you just take the time, but using my feet so I can navigate quite nicely. We are home. We are home. So this road will just take me home. We are home. In less than 2 minutes, we will come to the end of our morning walk. The car just driving. And this is Dr. Gombele from drg.com. Thank you for following me in my morning walk. And as I say, as a part of our health program, this is what we are starting now, so that you can also enjoy the beauty of Kingston town, so that you can also think twice. If you're in Europe, in North America, South Africa, wherever it is, with a different weather, you can open a little gym in your room, in your house. You can climb the stairs, you can go up and down, right, just to keep active. This is home now. Thank you for following me, and I hope that you did enjoy the morning walk with Dr. Gombele. We are looking down to Kingston, the sea, Kingston. Looking down the city, and we are on the top of the hill. And looking down, looking down, looking down, and I hope you did enjoy my morning walk. God bless you, and have a good day. May your day be productive. I end my morning walk here with you as I step in to start my day. I am in, I am back. God bless you. Bye bye.